In the last 3 years, Marist180 has experienced significant growth. Late in 2018, we had less than 200 staff. We now have more than 500 staff working across New South Wales, ACT and Queensland, across 9 program areas and 19 service delivery streams. We also opened up new locations in Orange, Newcastle and Wollongong. We welcomed new team members to the team, but we also took in a lot more young people into our homes. During 2020 and 21, Australia and the world experienced significant challenges around COVID-19. For ourselves at Marist180, it meant that we had to change some of our practices, go to a digitalised platform to keep people connected, but more importantly, we never ever stopped supporting and servicing our clients. All our homes and all our programs continued without fail. Working with the team at Marist180, what has always impressed me about the brilliant people that I work with is their commitment to the mission. We work with the orphans of society, as Champagne used to term them. And in working with the orphans of society, it means at times you put yourself at risk, and that can be risk of verbal or physical abuse, especially when we are dealing with young people who are traumatised, and the first people they hit out on is our people, because they're the ones who show them love and compassion. What impresses me and what keeps me coming to day in this role is knowing that I work with a team who are courageous, who are persistent, and are always there, leaving no one behind. In many ways, to me, that's the example of Mary. Marist180 is part of the 150-year story of Marist in Australia. For the tomorrows of the poor and the marginalised of society. So what we do today is creating positive change for the future. The last couple of years for our society has been tough, but the one thing that people held on to was hope for the future, that things would change. At Marist180, we're doing the same. We are creating that hope for people in their lives for a positive and different future. And key to that is our vision, which is an inclusive community where young people at risk and their families are inspired and equipped to live fulfilling lives and contribute to the common good. So in our services, Marist180 has young people in care of the state. We have young people who have been displaced and are unaccompanied humanitarian minors, and we have those who are homeless. We continue to work with them today so that for the tomorrows, that they go on to have meaningful employment. They have that roof over their heads, they have somewhere to call home, and in time, they become citizens of society who may in one day have families of their own, could be the next Prime Minister. Who knows what their potential is? We are working with these young people to create positive change so that they can live the lives that they were born to live. A key question asked of Marist180 for the association is about the disruptive edge in our mission. In changing the issues in society today and disrupting the edge, Marist180 will continue to advocate for young people in care. We are continuing to challenge governments to support young people 18 and beyond. And as we, as part of the broader Marist family, take this time through the National Assembly, it really has to be a call to action. My call to action, along with you, the National Assembly, is to keep the Marist180 team in your thoughts and prayers, because day by day, they are living the Marist mission. They beat strongly with the Marist heart. They are walking in the footsteps of Marcel and Champagne, and they are taking inspiration from Mary, our good mother, on how we care and support those in need.